I'm just gonna voice over this clip because once again the audio got corrupted. But pretty much we're trying to take the flywheel off now. In the last video you would have seen that we took the clutch off, but one of the bolts was really seized on the flywheel and we didn't want to round it out, so we're deciding to go to Harbor Freight. But before that, we're gonna do some things to Brandon's truck, which you will see more about in this video. But yeah, so we just went to Harbor Freight and went to go grab an extractor. So that's what's happening in this clip. So right now, I already showed this one, but I'll show it again because the footage was bad. This is his truck, 99 Bubble Eye, lowered, all that stuff. It's got a sound system. It's trash, but it's all good.
We gotta rebuild the box. That's next.
Whatever this is called.
Step notch. We gotta do the 4-link kit with coilovers.
Yep. Another project.
So right now we're gonna cut the exhaust off because my dumbass had to do the transmission. The people that did the exhaust before left one full piece from the white pipe, so I had to cut the exhaust. I left it hanging. It fell off on the freeway. It got all bent, so now it vibrates on the hole.
You can see it.
So we're gonna go cut it off and then we'll get it fixed later.
Stick right here.
My safety glasses are.
Safety glasses.
Grab the tips so they don't fall on my face. Of course.
Don't do what we do.
Yeah, no. Wear glasses and a long sleeve so you don't burn yourself with metal shavings.
My face.
Alright, let's just clean up, get it out of here, and we'll get back with you guys.
Should we get both metric and standard?
I don't know, should we?
Since the truck has both?
I mean, well, it's kind of pricey though. We need a transmission floor jack. I don't think they have one. That's a tool creeper. Yeah. It's the one we're we're gonna get better lighting, better videos
For nighttime.
for nighttime because we do everything at night.
The freaks come out at night. Oh, that one's cheaper though.
Is it the same?
$37.
Oh yeah. This one or that one?
Yeah, but those it looks like those pods are easily removable.
Light's light, bro. Nah, but it's Milwaukee. It's worth it.
So which one are you getting?
It's a cheap one, bro. We're cheap.
Cheap today?
We're cheap today.
Oh, we got a discount.
Yeah, but
That looks a lot brighter. How many lumens is this?
this one right here is 45,400.
Wow.
Okay. I need to go back to school.
4,500 lumens? That's because this is LED, no? Yeah, this is LED.
Okay, we came to a conclusion. We're just gonna take this one. That one. I don't have money for this. It's your fault.
We know.
Oh, we're leaving now. What happened? What did we just buy?
We spent money on a light, some shop towels, and extractor sockets.
Some extractors, cause
We're a little special, and we
the flywheel bolts,
yes, we stripped them.
they're being biatches right now. So
and
we're done.
Old motor. We don't really know what we're doing, so we might strip more. So we just got
Just to be safe.
a whole set, whole 2 sets.
This is, I don't know how to do gloves. Look at that. Pain in the butt. And now, what's next?
There you go.
Bow. Right there.
But we're gonna need a new one.
Huh?
I said, but we're gonna need a new one.
Yeah, we need a new one. Alright.
Now, bring the engine stand.
This is trash, bro. Throw it in the back.
Maybe look into getting a new clutch also. I said maybe look into getting a new clutch also.
That?
Yep. New one. Let's bring the engine stand.
Oh, look, the spider got cooked alive.
Stay.
Let's try to turn this on.
Turn it around. Yeah, let me put this on first. Hold this.
Sorry, from Velocity.
Oh, I didn't.
After this, we're done. Definitely broke that. Pinche freaking carpa, dude. Alright, so we got the freaking. I'm trying to fix the lighting right here. So we got the engine in here. About a.
Now it's a backyard build.
We're gonna freaking, you know, get to work. I'm gonna put it right here. Sorry, right there. Yeah. So this is our little setup. It's straight garbage, but
Ready?
we ain't rich. But
Ready? 'Cause I ain't ready.
yeah.
I knew it. What? Oh, back to the
Bro,
I'm retired. Leave me alone.
I'm not gonna go.
You're not gonna go. Get your ass in the truck.
Tired of driving around.
Go. Yeah, fool, it was on your card.
You can right there with your arm.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You a broke boy. Broke guy needs me to pay for everything. I mean, it is my bill though, so can't complain. Yeah, so
Ooh, we're actually gonna buy two of them. So we're gonna need the one for.
ours wasn't good enough.
Yeah. So we're gonna need, you know, the one that had that looked like a little claw. That one's gonna be good for right here. To pull these.
Okay.
It's got 3 bolts that thread into here, and then the one that bolts into the middle and pulls it.
I bet you everybody on the internet already knew that.
Yeah, what's that you? I know they know.
You guys know, right?
I bet you didn't know.
I didn't know. Look at that lady over there. Straight baddie. Alright, so right now, like I said, we're in Harbor Freight. Gonna take La Modelo.
Dude, you're supposed to have the camera facing to you when you're talking to it.
Well, I'm talking to them, but they're watching us.
AutoZone or AutoZone?
AutoZone or Rallies? Ask them.
Well, it doesn't matter because we have to go right now. But they can tell us for next time.
I think they said Walmart.
Oh, please. If I said, if I said, you guys are idiots and go to Walmart.
Alright. Alright, well, we're not doing another montage, so just give us a sec. Alright, we just got back. Hopefully, the tool we got works, which is right here. Oh, shit. This little thing right here. And get back to work though, right?
Sir. Ooh, it dropped the shit already?
Come on, man. You're not gonna be on my YouTube, bro.
Not bad, bro. It was an accident.
Oh, so it worked?
Yep. Well, anyways, YouTube, as I was saying before my mom.
Oops, sorry. Maybe if you never. Remember, we're just done, but this is a tool. I'm about to see it. Show you guys something. Show you guys we're not that dumb. Even though we are. Right?
What?
Says show you guys something. To show you guys we're not that dumb. I'm like, we still are.
Pretty much. Like, I don't even know why I'm using this. Oh, fuck. You see? I went the wrong way.
This cutie pie. Alright, so we just finished taking off the heads. You don't really know how a healthy block looks.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so we're just gonna keep going on from here. See how far we get today.
Astro Boy. So this is the last video we have of the engine tear apart. Sadly, the camera was giving us problems. It would jump between recording 30 minutes to 15 to 10 or to an hour. So we're just still getting used to the camera. But as you can see, we're just tearing apart the engine and we're getting it ready to get machined. Hopefully we'll do that this week that you're watching this video. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. She don't turn on, dude. Oh, I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it.